Welcome to 20 Spring Road right here in Saco. This is a 1940s rustic style cape with near 1,200 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Come take a look. This home is low maintenance with a very efficient new monitor heater, metal roof, and updated electrical. This home is cozy and private while offering all the amenities of Saco. You'll find it conveniently located close to the ocean, beaches, Interstate 95, and Portland Jetport. You are a prime location for an easy commute. So enjoy this home in a private setting, quiet, with an extensive deck, a low maintenance yard, an outdoor shed, all on an acre lot. If you are a nature enthusiast, you're gonna love this part. This property abuts 1,200 acres of conservancy land. Come join this growing community in Saco and check out 20 Spring Road with everything that it has to offer.